Hello, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Hello, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. You wouldn't believe it. We are on Naranjos 4 again, as we have been 2 weeks ago. And due to the huge success of this apartment, which was sold within 4 days, we're now getting into another ground floor apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort on our virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are today on a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the ground floor on Naranjos 4 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And I'm just entering this great apartment. Obviously, there's a for sale board by Quality Homes. That's what they all used to have. And we're just entering the terrace here, which is, as you can see, quite sunlit. Beautiful day today. We have about 20 degrees today, sunshine. It's got a little bit windy now, but otherwise it's a fantastic day today. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, and you are watching a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. This 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment is sold as seen, and I'm just entering the living room. Is sold as seen. Some items will disappear, like the water cooler over here. This is not part of the deal, and I have to say I'm really gobsmacked for also the price, because this property on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, under reference 2783, is actually listed at 80,000 euros, and today, as a one-off, we can offer it for 74,000. 74,000, similar to the one we saw 2 weeks ago on Naranjos 4 as well, the 271, which has been sold in the meantime to one of our avid listeners and viewers. Today we are here in another ground floor on Naranjos 4, one of the most sought-after gardens on the resort due to its location. And we are here today at an asking price of only 74,000 euros. We are talking 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, large living room with kitchen integrated. With all what we get and all what we see is in the box, with air conditioning in the living room and in 1 bedroom. With all the furnishing we see, comes for only 74,000 euros. As said before, you find the details of this property and many other fine properties in the region of Murcia under the reference 2783. And asking price is normally 80,000. Today, well, you know, we sometimes try to negotiate special prices for special occasions. In this case, we could convince the seller to come down to 74,000. The property is sold as seen with nearly all furnishing. As we said, the water cooler will disappear, and some artwork as well, because these are part of the family heritage. So this will also disappear, but otherwise the property is sold as seen. And I'm just showing you, waffling away here, I'm just showing you the master bedroom. All 3 bedrooms have fitted wardrobes, as we can see here, and are equipped with, obviously, beds, bedside tables. All what we see in the video is what we get today. From the master bedroom, we are walking out on the back terrace, which is just over here. On the back terrace, we do find the air conditioning units. There is additional, a very good storage unit. Let's have a look in the storage unit. I'm sure it's a disaster. Yes, it is. But you can see lots of stuff can be stored in here, which is quite useful to say. There is another one down here. Here we go, as well, packed with all the stuff. Happy days. So, we also have an awning here on the back, as you can see. And I think it's quite a comfortable back terrace, pretty well equipped as well with privacy screen. And we are on the opposite side, we do have the penthouses overlooking the golf course. Orientation-wise, well, actually I'm now standing here and it's about west-facing, so the other side might be rather east-facing. As we can see also, there is lots of sun still in the afternoon. It's now 5 o'clock, so there is still sun on the main terrace as well. Strolling through the property, we come to the 2nd bedroom. There we go. Fully fitted, and as we see, also decorated. Beautiful colors. And as well as we can see here, the fitted wardrobe, just to open this a little bit. They're really spacious, I have to say. There's quite a lot of space here. Great. In case you have any question or doubt, please don't hesitate to either leave us a comment at the bottom of the screen or drop us a note. My team will be happy to answer all your questions regarding this property or any other property on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Hi Mohammed, how are you today? Happy days. So we are back in the living room, and adjacent to the living room we have the third bedroom, which is equipped with a Fendel bed, say, so it's a pull-out bed, and on the other side it's fully equipped, as we see again, with bedside tables and all what we need. We have air conditioning in the living room and in the bedroom, so we have 2 air conditioned units in here, and the furnishing is included, as we can see on our little video here today. In case you like our show, may I invite you as well to share our virtual open houses with your friends and family. Very much appreciated. This is now a view on the kitchen. As we can see, there is a washing machine, oven cook extractor fan, which is not the normal make. As you know from other apartments, this is normally a stainless steel thing. In this case, they have altered this to a glass extractor fan hood thing. Really nice to say. And comes as well equipped with what we see is what we get again. Here we go. And as you can see, we have beautiful views out to the community gardens. Yeah, the sun is a little bit... I will show you the community gardens now. Okay, we have seen this one. We said air conditioning, we said fully furnished. Asking price, as we said, as our webpage says, it's 80,000 euros. No, sir. Today it's only 74,000. So I think that's a good start. And as I said, we did a similar property 2 weeks ago, also on Naranjos 4, the number 271, which has in the meantime been sold. And we are now here again due to huge success and demand from our clients to bring another 3-bed property on board for Naranjos 4. Why do I say Naranjos 4 is one of the best gardens? Well, we are in between the 2 most important assets of the resort, to say. On the one hand, we have the golf course, which is a Jack Nicklaus signature course in walk-in distance. And on the other side, we have the commercial center Kasar, as well in walk-in distance. So normally during the day, you will hardly need your car because you can all do by walking or cycling. Talking about the commercial center Kasar, which is the center and the heart of the resort, where you do find the Spar supermarket, which is open 7 days a week. You wouldn't believe it, even in winter they're open 7 days a week. Yes, Mohammed, I have no favorite drinking tap here. Yep, unfortunately. You know that I'm always looking out for that. Okay, coming back to the Kasar, where there's not only the Spa supermarket, you also find several restaurants and bars, for example, La Copa del Condado, which is a very nice Spanish-operated, I would say nearly gourmet restaurant. They're really doing a great job. We have Paco Molina's furnishing shop. We have Eden Hair and Beauty, where even Rupert goes to cut his hair sometimes. We have obviously the office of the community administrator. There is Bocao Family Bar. We have Sparkle Services and key holding and property management. We do have the Clover, which is the Irish pub on site. We do have as well the Sofia, the Bulgarian restaurant. And last but not least, there is even the office of Quality Homes Costa Calida. So this was the Kasar. So there you can really enjoy a nice cup of tea in the bakery. You can enjoy maybe an afternoon drink in the sun in the Sky Bar. So did I mention all of them? Yes, I think I have mentioned all of them. So as you can see, there's quite some activity on site. And as we just heard today, travel to Spain will start again in June. So this means we expect loads of you people coming over in the summer to enjoy together with us again the lifestyle in Spain. We are back to this 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on Naranjos 4 on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort in the beautiful region of Murcia, also the so-called Costa Calida. We are located in the municipality of Alhama de Murcia, some 35 minutes drive away from Corvera International Airport and some 65 minutes drive away from Alicante International Airport. We are based on the Costa Calida, as they call the area, We are about 20 minutes away from the nearest beach, which is in Bolnuevo. But you find many, many other possibilities to entertain yourself and your family. There's, for example, the Hotel Mariposa, which is up in the Sierra Espuña. We have loads of nice restaurants in the area, all kind of activities, being go-karting, being kayaking, for example, at Mariposa. So there are loads of things to do. Also very nice, and many people are enjoying now a bicycle ride. So also area is really very good also for cycling. So there are many, many activities apart from, obviously, the most important, which is the golf on site. Now we do have a Jack Nicklaus signature course, which will hopefully open again soon as we have more people in Spain, and especially in the Murcian region. So it allows the people running the golf course also to open again. In the meantime, I've been told this morning by our sales agent, Marcello Cosettini, that the golf course is in pretty good shape at the moment. It will need a week's work again to bring it up to standard to play, as Jack Nicklaus wanted. But generally spoken, it's in good condition, and we're really looking forward that we see the golf course opening soon. Well, waffle, Rupert again. We are on a virtual open house today, presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. I'm showing you today the reference 2783 on our webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price has been so far 80,000 euros, and for the special occasion of our virtual open house, the price has been reduced to only 74,000, which in my opinion is again a very good value. I would say nearly below market value, because normally we are selling them around 77, 79, even 80,000. But in this case, the seller has decided that he gives us this unique opportunity today to offer the property for only 74,000 euros. You find all details of this and many other properties on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And in case you enjoy our show, please share it with your friends and family. Sure, they will also enjoy a glance on a Spanish property and maybe get as well a little bit of a holiday feeling. As we have been informed this morning, yes, the international travel is again on the map. So we expect that as of June this year, we will hopefully be able to welcome many, many guests from outside of Spain. And really looking forward to that people are back again, because we are getting lonely here, to say. Darren, looking forward that you finally come over. When will this be? Tell me. Okay, on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, we do find this apartment under the reference 2783. Asking price so far 80,000 euros, today only 74,000. The property is sold as seen. There are some items, artwork and personal items, which will obviously disappear, but otherwise it is sold as seen, including the air conditioning unit here and in the living room. All 3 bedrooms do enjoy fitted wardrobes, as we can see here, and they're really big enough to store whatever you might store. We have seen the outside storage, which I've showed to you. Let's go back again, just to give you a quick glance again on the outside storage, which is quite useful. I know many people say, well, why is he showing me a storage? Well, exactly, because when we buy a property like that, we hardly think of what we will need in the future. And this is exactly one of these things which are really necessary, because there will be parts and items which you will need to store away. Could be beach gear, could be cushions, could be sports gear, whatever. And you will be happy that this can go into a dry, secure and locked outside storage, no doubt. So, again, we're in the living room. This is the kitchen of this beautiful 1-bathroom apartment on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are based on the Costa Calida in the region of Murcia, in Spain, obviously. Okay, so just let me walk out again and show you again the community garden. We can walk out here. As I said, it's today about 20 degrees. We enjoy sunshine all day long. And as you can see, just in the background there is the community pool. Walking distance, maybe 2 minutes. Just let me get a little bit closer to the pool. As I said, walking distance maybe about 2 minutes. Children's playground, and it's all, as always on Condado, perfectly kept. We have a very good maintenance team here regarding the gardens and all that. We really can praise what's going on here. It's fantastic, to be honest. The upkeep is second to none. I'm on this resort now for over 11 years, and it hasn't changed over the last 11 years, I have to say. It's nearly 12 years now. So I think this is really doing well, and all administered by the community of owners. So, well, this, I think, hopefully you enjoyed our show today, and I hope that I see you next week again. We have scheduled for next week another very interesting property here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And here comes the duck. No, it's not the duck, it's our listing agent.
Yeah, these nozzles make you look like you're wearing beaks.
Exactly.
Am I allowed to take it off?
Yes, please.
Yes,
as we are family, we can do that.
True.
So,
So
today only 74,000.
including everything?
Including everything.
Well, except for the ornaments and the paintings.
And also the water cooler. It's
And
not
the
included.
water cooler,
Please,
yes, correct. That goes
the
back
water
to the
cooler.
company.
Yes,
Yes,
the water
yes.
cooler is obviously a rented thing, so the water cooler goes back to the
company.
rental company. Yes.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
exactly.
sold as seen. Reference 2783 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com.
Happy days.
Can we say already what we do
Yes.
next? Yes.
Next week we will show the one that I promised last week.
Oh.
Last week I said we're going to stop in Arancos and go over to the Jardines.
Yes.
The property that we are going to show next week is the one that I mentioned. A gorgeous 3-bedroom, southwest facing, ground floor, right in front of the pool on garden 4.
Okay. So
New on the market, so we will present it for the first time next week at the open house.
Happy
Tune
days.
in to be the first one.
Happy
to see
days.
it.
And as we said before, in case you like our show, don't hesitate and share it with your friends, with your family.
Go ahead.
Always welcome. Very much appreciated, no doubt about it. Okay, so in the meantime, stay safe, take care, have a good time, and we're all looking forward to see you as soon as possible
Fingers
over
crossed.
here in Spain. Happy
Fingers
days.
crossed. Bye.
Bye. Cheers.